What is going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. Today we're going to be looking at our rear cargo cover for the back of your Tesla Model Y. This is going to make transporting items cleaner and protect the back of your Y while you're doing so. And again, it's going to be a durable canvas material that's going to protect the inside of your Tesla from any dirt, debris, or scratches. And it's also going to be quick and easy to install. So let's go ahead and check it out. So here's the cover all spread out. The part on the far end with the straps is going to go on the rear headrest, and this part towards the back here is going to go towards the rear gate. These on the side are going to go up the sides of the trim panels to protect those. And then obviously in the center we have our floor protection. So I'm going to go ahead and get this up in the car now and start with the rear headrest attachment. So we're just going to wrap this around the headrest, strap it in. Same thing on this side. Now I'm just going to kind of tuck this back down all the way against the back of the seat. So on our sides here, there's a strip of Velcro we're going to have to attach on our trim panel here that's going to hold it up to protect the sides. Also, you're going to notice that it extends out and over the bumper here. This will protect your bumper while you're loading items, and then once you're finished, you can simply fold it up like this and you're good to go. So now I'm going to get ready to attach our Velcro to the sides here, and I'm going to use one of our prep wipes here to just clean this area of any contaminants that may prevent the Velcro double-side tape from sticking. So now that we've cleaned this area with our prep wipe, we can take one of our adhesion promoter packets and apply it here, and this is going to ensure a good adhesion of our tape. So now you can see on the back here, this white is just the backing covering the adhesive. So I'm just going to take this whole strip and separate it. And I'm going to lift the cover up here just to see about how high we need to go. So I'm going to go along where these two pieces of trim come together. I'm just going to go like right above it. So I'm just going to peel the white backing here and stick this to our trim panel. Just like that. So now we can just lift this up, get our side stuck down to the Velcro. All right, simple as that. Now our cargo mat is installed and ready to go. So that is going to do it for us today on our install of our trunk cargo mat on this Tesla Model Y. A quick and easy way to protect the back of your Model Y while transporting just about anything. If you want to check this out for yourself, you can do that at tsportline.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you're not already, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.